All I'm gonna use this lady's ponytail is the wax and the got to be spray, and it's gonna be sleek and smooth, guys. And this is the hair I'll be using, Eliana, and I'll be using the straight 18-inch bundles, guys. I'm so hoarse I can hardly talk clearly. So this is the bundle, guys. As you can see, it's very soft and it seems like a good quality hair. I'm not gonna use more than one bundle because I'm just gonna do a Barbie ponytail with a 90s swoop. Oh my god, my voice is so hoarse and it sounds so annoying to me. I don't know if it's annoying to you guys, but oh my god. As you see, guys, our hair is relaxed, so it's gonna be pretty easy for me to do, and it's long enough so I don't even need to add any weaves either. So she's gonna get a smooth and sleeker swoop. Guys, did you know that when you're doing a swoop, if you don't need to add any weave, your swoop has a more flawless look? You need to try that, guys. Once the hair is long enough, don't add any weave, guys, and you'll get a more refined swoop, and it even stays longer too. So as usual, you know, this is how I lay my hair flat. Add a little wax to the root using my rat tail comb, but guys, you have to use a very fine teeth rat tail comb because that can go through the strands and smooth the hair more. And do not put too much wax on the hair root, guys. It's gonna make your hair too tacky. You just need a small amount through the root just to keep it together a little. And then you know that sometimes every 3 to 4 rows I use my got to be spray, because the less product on the hair, the sleeker your hair will be. And I'm not using any formal liquid type gel either. Whenever I'm doing this kind of hairstyle, guys, I always have this vibe. Simple, cute styles I love and I enjoy doing them so much. Like the updos, the ponytails, the knot buns. I don't like braid that much, but I still can do it neat, guys. But I prefer these kind of simple styles. And on top of that, guys, trust me, these simple styles, they give your face a lift. It brings out the beauty in you, guys. Trust me, especially when you do your hair in one. No matter the shape of your face, guys, there is always a simple style that brings out the beauty in you. You just need to know, or your stylist need to know how to complete that hairstyle so it looks good on you. Because for me, guys, all my clients know, if you take a style to me and I see where it's not gonna look good on you, I'm definitely not doing it. My clients know that 100%. I even highlighted it in my policy because I don't want anybody leaving my salon not looking good, because your hair is your beauty. So when your hair is done, you should look beautiful, don't it, guys? Tell me the truth. Anyways, I hope you all remember not to continue watching the video, and don't leave your comments or thumbs up the video. And remember, guys, to turn on your post notification bell so you can know when I upload a new video, guys, because I don't feel like stopping this time. I'm trying to see to it that I get to upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. I'm trying my best to be consistent, even though I have a lot of stuff doing. I don't want to disappoint you guys because I know you're looking out for tutorials. And if there's a specific tutorial you want me to do, guys, don't be afraid to comment that down below. If it's something that I'll do, that I normally do, I would definitely do that tutorial for you. And I'm not gonna take long as before, because my viewers requested that I do updo on natural hair, and I took so long, but there were so many things happening I didn't get to do it, but I finally did it, guys. So if there's a specific video, please remember to comment. Damn, look at it. Jeez, this is gonna be a nice soup. You can see how it's being laid already. Gosh, guys, you see what I'm talking about? These simple styles, they bring the beauty out in you. They are my go-to hairstyles. I don't wear braids or any form of braids. Simple, cute, or weaving, that's what I wear, guys, because it's easy to deal with, and I don't like wearing my hair for more than a week or 2 weeks, so these styles work better for me. See that? Sleek and shiny and smooth. It looks fake. She's gonna love it. Anyways, I'm not gonna talk right through the video and distract you guys, so you can just look what's going on, leave your comments, and thumbs up the video. So I'm just gonna put the weave on now to make a ponytail, and you know I'm gonna sew it on, guys, so it lasts longer.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So this is it, guys. She loves it so much. Oh, it's cute. Guys, which ponytail would you prefer this in? A extra low ponytail, a high ponytail, or a slight low ponytail as hers, guys? Which one would you wear? Comment that down below and let me know, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.